Quick warning or heads up for those trying to upgrade fans on a GPU. This is a MSI RX 5600 Mac 2.0, I believe, classic. But this applies to most Radeon cards of 5,000-6,000 series. More often than not, you're gonna want to hear this. The firmware is capped to use very specific fans. These are the original. So if you install bigger fans, which I have here, now I'm going back, it's gonna go in a firmware lock and it's not gonna run at all. This card did run, but I didn't have any cooling. So as heads up, if you get this, usually just revert back to original fans. But keep in mind that physically can doesn't mean it's gonna let you. So yeah,